Hello you guys, welcome to my channel Urban Locs, and today we're going to be doing a lovely lock close-up for this 13-month starter lock update. You know, I don't know at this point if my locks would still be considered starter locks. I think I should kind of stop calling them starter locks since, you know, I did hit my 1 year already. I just feel like we're a little bit past that now, so I don't know. Honestly, you guys, last weekend was supposed to be wash weekend, but I told myself I was gonna do it and I didn't do it. So we're actually about to wash now. It's Saturday, and I think it's the 20th or the 21st. I think it's the 21st. My 13-month mark was on the 17th of this month, so I'm a couple days late. That's okay. But anyway, I'm gonna give you guys a good close-up, of course, and then I'm just gonna go in and spray with my apple cider vinegar first. I guess I'll show you guys that since we're here. And then we're gonna go ahead and wash. I'm not gonna take you guys on a wash day. If you would like to see some wash day videos, I will link a playlist up here. I'll also link it down in the description below, so you can check out some wash day videos if you would like, but not today because that's a lot of work. Now, before we start, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. All of you guys are the best. I love you so much. All the support, like the growth has been so crazy over the last year. Also, one last thing, I promise. I know I told you guys that I was going to be starting vegan content on my channel, but you know, I just feel like in the long run, I may regret doing it on this channel because I just don't want too much going on, because I feel like, you know, the whole lock thing and then vegan videos, they're like two really big categories. I don't feel like they're not subcategories, so I just feel like it will be best for me to go ahead and keep them separate. With that being said, let me go ahead and hurry up. Y'all, I'm sorry. So with that being said, I will go ahead. I will leave the name for my vegan journey channel here on the screen, as well as there is a link down below in the description. So please go ahead and follow that. I know the skincare, the esthetician, I was doing that for a little bit, but I just, you know, honestly, I just feel like I'm not ready to be anybody's professional at this time. And that's just the honest answer. I'm just not really ready. It was a lot, and it's just a lot more than what I am prepared to take on because my focus is in other places. So yes, the cooking videos and the lock videos, that's where we're gonna go for now. Alright, sorry if it's loud, you guys. I did just open the window because this stuff be choking me every time. And you know my dog's in here too, so I don't need my boy choking. Bragg's apple cider vinegar. This is organic. That's all that's in here is apple cider vinegar and water, and it has the mother in it, so you know it's real good. Let me just find a list of the benefits. I know the apple cider vinegar is really good because it helps to balance your scalp's pH. It helps to clarify, but it also moisturizes at the same time, and I think it does something to like your hair cuticle, like the shaft. Let me just try to find it. But I know that when you spray this on and leave this on for about 10 minutes before your wash, does an amazing job. Cleanses the scalp. Your wash is just, it's a breeze. It's a breeze. I don't know. Because I keep seeing a lot of like apple cider vinegar detoxes, and that's not, obviously not what I'm looking for. This is not an apple cider rinse / detox with the lemons and the baking soda. This is not that, obviously. So I'm just seeing a lot of that, and I don't have time to go through that. So what I said, just trust me. Just trust me. Okay? You should do that at this point. You're here. Alright, so just shake it up so you can get all that stuff floating around, mixed up in there. And you just spray your scalp. I don't think my scalp is even dirty. Let's do a little test. It's a little scratching. Yeah, that ain't really nothing up in my nail. Just rub it in a little bit. Okay. So that's it for that. Now, I'm just gonna let this sit for like 10 minutes. And then I'm gonna wash, and then I'll come back and I'll actually show you guys, I'll actually show you guys what my hair looks like after the wash as well, just so you guys can get a wet lock close-up too. Time to go ahead and get this started. So I'm gonna let this sit for a few moments, then I'm gonna hop in the shower, and I'll be back to show you guys my wet locks at 13 months. Okay, so I actually mixed in my black soap with some coconut oil, and I let it sit on my locks for a few minutes. I'm just gonna spray my aloe juice and rosewater mixture. As you can see, she's running low. That's it. I'm not retwisting. I've already made my decision. Look at that hang time. Y'all see that hang time? So this is where we are, freshly washed. My hair feels so good. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stick around, check out some more videos. I appreciate you. Hit subscribe before you go, and make sure that you head over to my vegan channel as well at THATCOLEVEGAN. Okay, THATCOLEVEGAN. So yeah, subscribe there. Content coming soon, and thank you so much for watching.